Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel. This is Gumbo Media speaking. We are going to buy some new cars, let's say 2 or 3 cars. I don't know. Now let us check the pros and seasons. Now let us go straight to the point. Let me just enter to the place. Buy cars. Check some price. Click on Formula 1. Just check the Formula 1. Look at this Mercedes safety car. Mercedes safety car. Just check the cars. I think that these cars are beyond my limits. I think I'm just going out now. Let me check the car. Porsche. The problem is that there's no my budget in Porsche. See, I want to buy car. Iconic cars ever. Look at this. You see that car? This car Lamborghini. It's only Cristiano Ronaldo who has it in the world. 1 out of 1. This car, maybe I can buy it, maybe I can't. But it's good. Now let us just go out. Let me check Ford. Yeah, I can buy this car. Only 262. We'll just buy this Shelby. Buy it quickly, and delivery time is 5 hours only. No problem. Wow, but the car is cheap. Let me go out from my garage. And then enter to the buy cars dealership. And then I think I'm going to buy a Chevrolet. You know what I'm talking about, guys. I'm going to buy 3 cars. The Dodge, I bought the Dodge, remaining the Chevrolet ZLR 2013, and I bought Ford GT 500 Shelby edition. And it's going to be shipped 5 hours. The cars are back. This car is fire, I swear. This car is one of the most iconic cars ever. Camaro ZL. Old Camaro ZL. Let us check. Wow. If I get more money, I'm going to buy 2 cars. The Camaro ZL 22 new edition and the GT 500 edition. All of them. This car, I don't know what to say, but it's an icon. The car is just beyond the car. Ford, when they're making cars, especially when Shelby creates a car like this, you know, there is a film of Need for Speed. This car is the one. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Please subscribe for more. Thank you very much.